Alright, let's get straight to it. Is the TAO Clean Toothbrush actually worth your money in 2026, or is it just another overpriced gadget? I've been testing the Diamond model for a few weeks, and here's the honest, no-nonsense rundown, buyer's guide style. First up, cleaning power. This brush packs a punch with 40,000 sonic strokes per minute. Seriously, my teeth haven't felt this smooth outside of a dentist's chair. Every morning I get that fresh from the hygienist vibe. Definitely legit when it comes to plaque and surface stain removal. What really sets Tao Clean apart, though, is the UVC sanitizing and drying dock. You pop the brush back, press a button, and in 5 minutes, 99.9% of bacteria are zapped with hospital-grade ultraviolet light. It's oddly satisfying knowing my toothbrush isn't a breeding ground for germs anymore. Battery life? No complaints. I'm easily getting 2, sometimes 3 weeks out of a single charge, so weekend trips are a breeze. No dock required. Plus, there are 2 brushing modes, super clean for the hardcore plaque battlers, and sensitive clean for anyone with gentle gums. It's a nice touch. Now for the real talk, the complaints. The dock is bulky. Imagine a coffee mug sitting on your counter, and you get the idea. If you're tight on space, this could be a deal breaker. Also, it's built for one person. Couples? Forget sharing unless you want to swap brush heads constantly. And those replacement heads? They'll cost you nearly $20 a pop. Plus, you have to charge with the proprietary dock. No USB-C, no micro USB. So, is it a scam? Not at all. TAO Clean is absolutely legit and impressive if you're hygiene-obsessed or tech-driven. But if you're watching your budget or hate clutter, you might want to look elsewhere.